Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Ebony People TV podcast, where we dive into the latest developments from the Southeast. My name is Faith, and I'm your host for today. And joining me today is the one and the only Ike Africa.
What's up, everyone? People TV family? It's always great to be here. And today we've got something huge to talk about. Seriously, this is a game changer for Anambra State and entire southeastern region.
Absolutely, Ike. We are talking about the new trauma center being built in Oka. It's Governor Chukwuma Soludo's pet project, one of these so many pet projects we are all aware of, and it's causing a lot of buzz. Have you seen the update on this particular
Of
project?
course, I have. And let me just say, it's not your typical hospital. For those who might not know, Faith, should we break it down? What exactly is a trauma center?
Great idea. So, a trauma center is basically like a specialized hospital, that's fully equipped to handle major emergencies like car accidents, gunshot wounds, or even life-threatening injuries. It's where you'd go when time is really, really critical and every second counts.
Exactly. And that's not just about having a few beds and doctors. Trauma centers require advanced equipment, highly trained specialists, and an infrastructure designed for quick responses. That's why this project in Oka is such a big deal.
And it's not just for the Anambra, Ike, right? Think about it. This center will benefit the entire Southeast.
Of course.
How many times have we heard of people being rushed to other states or even other countries for emergency care?
Too many times, Faith. This trauma center is going to change the narrative. And here's what I love about Governor Soludo's approach. This isn't just a healthcare facility. According to the Commissioner for Housing, Honorable Polly Onyeka, this trauma center is being designed as a medical tourism hub.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, did you just say medical tourism?
Yes.
Wow, now that's really visionary. Imagine people coming from all over Nigeria, even beyond, just to access the services here.
And you know what? The location is so perfect. It's inside the Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Teaching Hospital in Amaku, Oka. This means it will work hand in hand with a teaching hospital, offering practical training for medical students and boosting healthcare expertise in the region.
Right. I'm really, really impressed. Trust me. Let's not even forget the facilities they are planning. Honorable Onyeka said this trauma center would, feature state-of-the-art equipment, things we haven't even seen anywhere else in Nigeria.
It's mind-blowing, and it's not just about treating injuries, It also creates jobs, attract investment, and elevate Anambra's status as a leader in healthcare.
True. And the timing couldn't be any better, Ike, when the commissioner mentioned that this particular project is very, very dear to Governor Charles Soludo. And even in the Anambra, I could feel the passion. This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about, saving lives.
Exactly. And speaking of passion, Faith, I love how Governor Soludo is managing the finances. Did you hear that the Anambra government hasn't borrowed to finance deficit in recent years?
I heard. Wow, that's really impressive. It shows commitment to responsible governance. And looking at the pace of work on this particular project, you can tell it's being handled with care.
Well, no doubt. Now, let's talk about what this means for the average person. This center is for everyone, young, old, rich, or poor, whether it's a car accident on the highway or an emergency in a rural area. This trauma center will be a lifeline.
And it's also a call to action. Don't forget that, okay? We need more of this kind of initiative, across Nigeria.
Of course.
Every region deserves a facility like this one.
Absolutely, Faith. It's not just about building hospitals. It's all about building hope.
So true. I agree. I really, really agree. And when People TV family, what do you think about this trauma center currently ongoing in Anambra State? Are you as excited as we are? Ike, are you really excited about
Of course, I am excited about it.
Drop your thoughts in the comments section or just hit us up on social media.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you the latest updates and discussions on what's happening in the Southeast and beyond.
And until next time,
stay safe, stay inspired, and stay tuned to Ebony People TV.